Ho, baby. Ho, baby. Ho. Come over here and talk to your daddy, Musette. Come on, talk to me. Come here. Come on. Good girl. Come right on here. Walk on here and talk to your daddy. Ho, baby. That's it. That daddy loved that old baby. Yeah, that's his Musette. Hey, look at this beautiful horse. This is my horse. In case you're wondering who I am, I'm Maurice, yeah. And this is Musette. Isn't she beautiful? And I don't have no strings attached. Go the other way. That's it. Let's go. Hup! Move. Give it to me. Come on, trot. Ha! Come on. Let's go. That's it. Bust it for me. Bust a move. Good girl. Ha! Come on. Put it in there. Put it in there. Put it in there, girl. Come on. Ha! There you go. Put it in there. Show daddy. Trot. Slow down. Just break it down. Trot. Good girl. Trot. Ho, baby. Come on here to daddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, daddy. Come on. Musette. Come on. I know you see him out there. I see him too. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Oh, you being stubborn. Okay, let's go the other way. Go the other way. Ha! Go ahead. Put something in it. That's it. Since you want to be stubborn. Yeah, ho! Ho, baby. Ho. Let's go the other way. Ha! Come on. Since you want to be stubborn. Ha! Push it. Show me what you got. That's it. Trot. Trot. Slow it down. Slow. Come on, trot. Good girl. Ho, baby. Ho. Use that. Ho. Come here. Come on. That's that baby, yeah. Oh, baby. That's that daddy baby. That's that Miss Musette. Oh, baby. So your daddy can just take a nice movie of that baby.